Hi there, this is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. Just a quick update on the 69 Chevelle. We got the power back on it, hooked up the battery, putting a charge on it, trickle charge on the battery. We put a quick disconnect, so all you have to do is turn this knob to the left a couple of turns, completely disconnects the entire electrical system. This is advised like when you're going to leave the car setting for a week or two or a month. You definitely want to disconnect this. That way you have no risk of any electrical issues, any fires or drains on the battery. The system is completely disconnected. Just one or two turns to the right tightens up the connection and everything is powered back up. Got the stereo and Bluetooth functioning. Did some testing this morning. And now we've got the 6x9, the 6x9s on the back deck, which is back here. It's a nice clean installation, no sign of the speakers from the top side, but you've got some really high quality kickers, 6x9 speakers located underneath the deck as they were originally installed. And then you got your perforated carriage package tray with the holes in it so the speakers can reflect off of the back glass. On the front, we have some high quality kickers, two of them located up in the dash, and they reflect off the front of the windshield for your high vocals. And then over here, we have some kick panel speakers. And as you can see, I installed the Astro ventilation cables. They are connected with the selector handles right here on the kick panels. Now they don't function because where they go doesn't help in the ventilation of the car anymore because it's got the new climate control system, which is located here. This all functions. We have control. Let me turn off the radio here. We have control of the fan switch here, and the air conditioning button is right here for the compressor, engages or disengages. And then you have control from vent to defrost up at the top of the dash and everywhere in between. Then this is your heater control here. So we got that working, air's coming out of the vents as they should. Your dash cluster is installed with the new face cluster, new knobs are connected as well, new vent balls. So again, everything now is just finishing up wiring, getting everything connected and mounted again on the new dash. We touched up the paint on the glove box. It had several scratches and chips. Got to do some door work over here to fix this latch rod. It's not opening and closing correctly, so we'll do that. But we're getting real close on the dash stuff. Just wanted, again, just to give you an update that things are coming along. The wires are routed correctly under the pan, taped down so that they won't interfere with any seat movement or seat bolts, and then routed up correctly up through the deck. And then we'll put the amplifier mounted on the rear deck panel right here. It's loose right now because we're making all the wire connections. Once I get everything cinched down, I'll screw everything down. You can see we got the new carpeting in the back trunk, and we got the carpeting for the inside re-dyed, cleaned, and washed, and ready to go back into the car. So we're looking pretty good. The car's been cleaned on the exterior. We'll be doing a touch-up on the paint, and then we'll go into road testing phase, which is we'll get everything mechanically tested, drive it, put several miles on road testing, and then I will make notes on each one of the drives. If I run across any issues, bring them to your attention, and then we can decide how to move forward from there. But like I said, right now everything's looking good. Wanted to send you an update on the car. We're shooting for a June target date, and I believe that we will we'll have, you know, unless something comes up during road testing that's a mechanical issue that you want us to take care of. We're getting pretty close on our approved list of items. Car's looking really good. And with these new upgrades, I think you'll enjoy driving it more. And like I said, we'll get onto the mechanical, the tuning, to make sure everything is working the way that it should there. This is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we will be back in touch with you shortly. Have a great day. Bye.